qualities any more than there's a God with rabbit-like qualities or a God with any of these other qualities.
Dive for left turn lane.
God exists. What his
turn from the center lane.
It's not reliable, and it's not something that I think we should use when determining.
No stop behind me.
Although maybe.
There was no stop. No stop behind me. No stop behind me.
Really ingrains your brains in there. It's great.
What are some of the more recent things? I'm curious if you're open to talking.
No stop.
So the big thing nowadays, evidence to warrant the belief. Ooh, that's really all I gotta say.
I like it. Thanks for the words of wisdom, Calvin. And thank you to
Exit
everybody
dive.
who wants this truth wanted. Remember to always keep wanting the truth. And I'll see you next time.
Seriously, the car alongside me in that white car up there. Seriously, the car alongside me in that white car up there. No stop. Yeah, you weren't going to stop. Oh, there's deers on that bridge. Holy shit. Holy shit.
Proper infant. Three categories of infants you can have. I'm somebody who studies belief forming mechanisms a lot and works with computer science and very interested in AI and things. So, but the thing is, I would say this, like, we could get into what that evidence is and if you think it needs evidence of absence. But
Holy shit, really? What the fuck are you doing? Really? What the fuck are you doing? Yeah, run. What the fuck? Yeah, like that's the safest place to ride in the street. Oh no, look, you're going up the wrong direction of a one-way street there. Yeah, very smart. Red light run. Really? 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 Hey, what? Why are you moving? Let me count that as an exit regret. Wait, what the fuck? That's a left turn lane. Exit dive. Yes. That's an exit dive. Really? At least you're doing the sensible thing and waiting for everyone to go by before you do that. A fox.
66 found that almost 1 in 10, which is 8%, had ever attempted to terminate a pregnancy with abortion. Almost 4 in 10, 38%, said that a friend, relative, or acquaintance
who don't give up. People who aren't merely just going to accept that there's God of the
No,
cats
stop.
here, and we'll just go with that because it's easier than actually.
Get off my ass now. You're a long way from following safely. Get off my ass now. Now. Okay, you're kind of further away now. No stop. No one stops here. It's like the most ignored stop sign in all of Costco land. Really? You went the wrong way.
Prepare to fast forward! Preparing to fast forward! Fast forward! Fast forwarding, sir!
Go. Go, come on. No, stop. Toyo, turn. Are you going to stop here? Of course not. Why would you? Look at this red light run.